In an era of new age practices, the world is still abuzz about an ancient one. Oil pulling or gandusha gives you a bunch of beauty benefits, prevents some diseases, and arms you with a camera-worthy smile. I am Neha Ranglani, and this topic here is by popular demand. So let's cut straight to the chase. The mouth offers a sanctuary to a number of bacteria, viruses, and fungi that pose a threat to our well-being. Oil acts as a cleanser by hauling out these nasties before they get a chance to spread. So how does oil pulling work? Firstly, it frees up the immune system by reducing stress and internal inflammation. This then boosts energy, prevents heart diseases, allergies, headaches, and acne. And the best part? It partly aids weight loss. So how exactly is oil pulling done? Try to start your day by doing this before you brush your teeth or drink anything. If not that, do it a few hours before eating dinner. Put a single tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and start to swish it back and forth in between your teeth for 10 to 15 minutes. If that's too much for you, try doing it while doing something else like showering or working around the house. Try not to swallow any of the oil while doing this to prevent the toxins from getting back into your body. And make sure you spit the oil into the toilet or a cup because it could clog the drain if you use your sink. After that, immediately rinse your mouth with warm salt water to remove the toxic debris. When you're done, brush your teeth as you normally would. Now, which oils exactly can be used for oil pulling? For this, you can use unrefined cold-pressed coconut oil, olive oil, or even sesame oil to name a few. For me personally, I love using coconut oil as it contains lauric acid, which has proven to be anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, which basically means it fights off the microorganisms that cause bacteria. You can even enhance the oil by adding organic essential oils like lemon, peppermint, or cinnamon. But make sure to use a single drop for every tablespoon of the oil you choose. Essential oils get absorbed and protect your oral mucosa, that is the lining in your mouth. There are no side effects, and this can be done by anyone, be it kids, adults, elders, and even pregnant women. Do let us know if it worked for you in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.